Hey there! In this video, we'll show how to import Facebook leads into CRM. But before we start with the creation of a lead generation form, make sure that your Facebook page is integrated with Pepper Cloud CRM. To create a lead generation form, we are first logging into Meta Business Suite and select the Facebook page. Now, let's click on the All Tools option and scroll down to select the Instant Forms option. Here you can see any existing forms that have already been created. As we are here to create a new form, we'll click on the Create Form button. Then, select the New Form option and proceed to the next step. Let's give a name to the form and choose the goal of creating the form from the Form Type section. Then we'll navigate to the Intro section to add an image, headline, and description to the form, followed by the Question section. Here we can add customized questions and fields. The Privacy section comes next, and here we are attaching the link to a company's privacy policies along with the link text. Lastly, we have reached the Completion section. As you can see, it already comes with a pre-filled headline, description, and CTA that can also be edited if required. For instance, we have added the CTA as View Website, so in the link field, we are adding the website link. After ensuring all the required details are filled in, let's click on Publish. Here is the form that we have just created. You can also incorporate forms in your Facebook ads. Now that we have successfully created the form, we are now ready to integrate it with the CRM. To integrate the form with Pepper Cloud CRM, we are navigating to the integration screen and selecting Social. Here, we need to click on the plus sign next to the Facebook page that we have created our form on. We'll choose the created form from the drop-down list. In the mapping stage, the form fields will be automatically fetched by the CRM. In the next stage, we are choosing the source and assigned person and pressing the Submit button to complete the procedure. The lead generation form will be successfully integrated into your CRM. Now let's click here to check the responses that we have received. In this screen you can see the Facebook leads that you are receiving through your lead generation form. Needless to say, Facebook leads will be imported into your CRM automatically. So, go ahead and start importing your Facebook leads into Pepper Cloud CRM. Book a demo now.